Hola mis amores, ¿cómo están? I hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to do some listening, comprehending, listening, reading, and comprehending. Yeah, that's what I'll say. So there's a paragraph that I have. I got it off of a website. You'll see where I got it from in just a moment if you were wanting to see it as well. But I'm pretty much going to read this paragraph. I'm going to show you some questions to answer to the paragraph, and we'll have some fun with that. Yes and yes? See? Okay, perfect. Before we get into that, I just want to obviously send my love and prayers out to everyone going through this time. I hope you're staying strong. You know, you're practicing social distancing, you're staying home, all that fun stuff. And I want to also honor all the people that are on the front lines that are risking their lives on a daily basis. We love you guys. And my heart and prayers go out to you and your families. And last but not least, I just want to throw, two things quickly, and I promise I'll wrap this up and we're going to shift gears. But I do want to say that, yes, I'm here in New York City. Everything does feel very surreal. Yes, there's a lot going on, and I don't know how the rest of the nation is seeing it, but our governor has put out there multiple times that we need help. We need more healthcare professionals here helping, and our healthcare professionals need a lot of protective equipment and gear as well. So I just want to throw that out there so that way, I'm doing something about getting the word out there about what we need. So if there's any way you can help, share the word, whatever it is, please do. We need the help here in New York City. Love you guys. And last but not least, sorry, I promise, wrapping it up. If any of you are dealing with anxiety, depression, or anything else of that nature, I really do encourage you to seek professional help. Get the help that you need, because we will all make it through this. And I just want you to know that you are loved. Okay, now we can shift gears. I am going to, let me pull up this paragraph. I'm going to read it to you guys. I already told you I pulled it from a website. It looks like it's called superteacherworksheets.com. So you can go and try and find this on there. But basically, I'm going to read the paragraph. I'm going to show you the questions. And then once you see the questions, then I'll read the paragraph again so you can try and connect the two together. Sounds like a plan, Susie? Okay, let's do it. So let me go ahead and pull this up for myself. Here is the paragraph. It's called El Desayuno con Abuela. So, okay. Cristóbal y Bianca están ayudando a abuela en la cocina. Ellos están haciendo el desayuno. Abuela está cocinando panqueques en la estufa. Sus panqueques son especiales porque ella los hace con trocitos de chocolate. Cristóbal pone el pan en el tostador. Bianca sirve 3 vasos de jugo de naranja. Luego, Cristóbal pone los platos, los tenedores y los cuchillos en la mesa también. Wonderful. That was the paragraph. And now let me read the questions to you. There's 3 questions. The first one asks, ¿qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? ¿Qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? The second question, ¿cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? ¿Cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? And the last question, a lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. A lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. Okay, let me now share that with you on my screen. Cool. Should be able to see the questions there. You see the first question, ¿qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? The second question, ¿cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? And the last question, a lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. Wonderful. Now you have the questions. Now that you know the questions, let's read it with the paragraph. Or let's look at the paragraph and try to answer the questions. Here we go. Cristóbal y Bianca están ayudando a abuela en la cocina. Ellos están haciendo el desayuno. Abuela está cocinando panqueques en la estufa. Sus panqueques son especiales porque ella los hace con trocitos de chocolate. Cristóbal pone el pan en el tostador. Bianca sirve 3 vasos de jugo de naranja. Luego, Cristóbal pone los platos, los tenedores y los cuchillos en la mesa también. Awesome. So that was a paragraph. Now let's look at the questions again. The first question, ¿qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? ¿Qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? All right. We're going to go over these answers together as well, but I just want to show it to you first. All right. ¿Cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? ¿Cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? All right, there's a paragraph. Let's see if you can answer that question. And the last question. A lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. A lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. There's a paragraph. See if you can answer that. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and go over the answers together. If you need to pause this video so you can try and continue working on the answers. But if you're ready, let's go ahead and go over the answers. So the first question, ¿qué pone Cristóbal en la mesa? As we can see in this paragraph, the answer is platos, tenedores, y cuchillos. That's what he put on the table. Second question, ¿cuántos vasos de jugo de naranja sirve Bianca? La respuesta es 3 vasos. And lastly, a lo mejor tiene lugar este cuento por la mañana o por la noche. Well, we're talking about desayuno, so the answer to this would be por la mañana. So I could really use you guys' support. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys had some fun with me today. And if you are really interested in supporting me, of course, please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, like, and definitely share this video out. That's also very, very, very helpful. I'm also going to put my Instagram handle down below so you can come hang out with me on Instagram because I put a lot of stuff on my stories. You get to see another side of my life and stuff, so that would be a lot of fun to be friends with you on there as well. Make sure you check out some of my other videos too. So again, hope you guys had a great time. And yeah, take care.